Hello everyone and welcome back to Corn Country Outdoors. So today I got truck keys because I have gotten stuck a John Deere Gator. I'm at my neighbor's right now that I always mow for in the summertime and just filling in some spots around his yard where plow got spots like this here where it's just like a divot in the ground. There's some bigger ones that I filled in with dirt still laying from the plow, but I don't know if you can see that, but the Gator, it's sunk. So now, my intention is to take the pickup Okay, let's make sure we got chains. Okay, we don't got chains back there, let's get. We're gonna have to get a little closer. Let's quick run out this chain. We're gonna have to readjust the trucks right here, and we're gonna have to go right here. Luckily, I watch Matt's Off-Road Recovery. I'm gonna have to set the camera down real quick for that. I decided that at the angle I was at, it would not work very well pulling out, so I decided to flip the truck around as you see in this clip. Okay. We're gonna have to come back just a little bit more. Oh, I did not wear the right shoes for today. Whoa. Successful victory. Okay, now I gotta go back to work. I'll roll that out later, try to clean it up. I have to, for this section, I have to wait till it's dried up a little bit to roll it. So I've kind of filled in all the spots that I wanted to for right now. So now I'm to the rolling portion. Now this is the roller I'm using. It's just an old tank with plugs on the sides. You fill it with water. Currently filling it with water right now. I'm gonna have to empty the water once I'm done today, because I mean it doesn't always freeze at night, but I just want to be safe. I got around the house here that I can roll, and then right behind the shed right there, up by the road, that I can roll, but like the spot back here behind the shed is just way too soupy. I suppose it's kind of soupy right here where I'm walking right now, so I might avoid right here. Because I don't want to be hitting the soupy spots and making everything all nasty, but like you see out there, there's low spots. Once you get right there, there's standing water all through this whole area right here. Full soupy, standing water, even past the second little puddle there. But we got big puddles over here. So yeah, I can't roll this section here. I can roll around the house over there, and those around those trees by the road right there in that middle section. And then across the road also can't. So just getting a little rolling out of the way, getting a little work, making it nice and smooth for mowing season. So earlier when I got the Gator sunk in the field, it was actually buried all the way up to the frame here. I've driven through a couple puddles, so it kind of washed it off. But now, done for the day. I've done all the rolling that I need to. So now I'm just draining the tank right here on this little slope. And then I'll take and put it away. So, yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of sitting water out here. You walk over here, this whole center of the yard right here, full of water. Whole center of the yard over on that piece over across the road, full of water. Just puddles everywhere. There's a little ditch back here, never has water in it, all summer. It's full of water right now. It's actually, you come over here, you got like cattails or whatnot growing, already sprouting up this year. Okay. Then over here, so back in the wintertime, where was it? I think it was, you see that chunk of property right there where those trees are? Found a little fawn right there. Dead, been dead for a while, but completely frozen because it was wintertime. Alright, so I'm gonna jump over this. Took her down here, put her pile here, and that's what she looks like right now. She was frozen when I put her here and almost gone. Then back here along the back of the field, we've made a couple trails, so I was just kind of flattening them out. Still a little muddy. It's very muddy around here. We got a lot of water coming in and out places, but like right here, I stand right here. The wind's coming from that direction, and I can smell dead deer because there's one sitting right there. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time.